Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated, confused, or just heartbroken about the TikTok ban here in the US. But don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to share practical solutions to navigate this situation and keep creating and consuming the content you love. Let's dive in. First, let's quickly address why this is happening. TikTok has been banned due to concerns about national security and its connection to its Chinese parent company, ByteDance. The US government has decided to enforce strict regulations, making the app unavailable. But that doesn't mean your content creation journey has to stop. Here's how you can adapt. Solution number 1, use a VPN. A virtual private network allows you to access content and apps that might be restricted in your region. Choose a reliable and secure VPN service that can help you access TikTok servers outside the US. Keep in mind, though, this may have legal and technical risks, so proceed carefully. Solution number 2, explore alternative platforms. If TikTok is completely inaccessible, it's time to diversify. Platforms like RedNote app, of which I have already made a video about how to create an account on RedNote. So you can check out the video. I have already pinned the video in the description of this video. You can start uploading your TikTok style content there to continue engaging with your audience. Solution number 3, stay updated. The TikTok ban is still a developing story. Negotiations between ByteDance and the US government could lead to changes. Follow the news closely and subscribe to creators or experts who provide reliable updates.
Like that. Now that the Americans are gone, TikTok, you need us. See, I'm in Canada, we don't have the creator fund.
Solution number 4, back up your content. Before anything else, make sure to back up all your TikTok content. Download your videos directly from the app or use third-party tools to save them. This way, you'll have access to all your hard work, even if TikTok doesn't return. Solution number 5, voice your opinion. Finally, don't underestimate the power of your voice. Reach out to your local representatives, sign petitions, or join discussions about internet freedom. Let them know how this ban affects you as a creator or consumer. Remember, this is a tough time for all of us, but creativity thrives under pressure. Use this as an opportunity to grow, explore new platforms, and connect with your audience in different ways. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more updates, and let me know in the comments how you're dealing with the TikTok ban. Together, we'll figure it out. Stay creative, and I'll see you next time.